holder for your charger, a chocolate power bank, fluffy headphones, and a selfie for those who haven't found their soulmate yet? Today, we'll show you some awesome life hacks that you can use for your gadgets. And first, you need an old sweater, a rubber glove, and a selfie stick. Fill the glove with cotton wool. Draw nails and wrinkles with markers. Cover the glove with concealer. Cut off the sweater sleeve. Fill it with cotton. Put a watch with an elastic strap on your wrist. Insert the selfie stick into the sleeve. Fasten the glove. Got some free time? We have an idea for a selfie. Put your phone in the selfie stick, connect it, and let your friends try to figure out who this mysterious person holding your hand so tenderly is. The romantic photo shoot was a success. For the next idea, take some corduroy fabric from an old skirt. Cut a square the size of your laptop. Fold the fabric and spread a sheet of foam rubber over it. Turn the edges in and secure it with hot glue. Fasten a piece of plastic on top. Apply some hot glue around the perimeter and attach a plastic chopping board. Working with a laptop on your knees is completely different from when it's on a comfortable office desk. But now you have a comfortable, soft desk for your knees. Put the stand on your legs and place your laptop on it. Well, this is a completely different vibe. Let's get to work. For this life hack, you need a computer mouse and some acrylic paints. Mix red and white acrylic paints and color the mouse a delicate pink color. Glue light decorative feathers together. Fasten wings on the sides of the mouse with hot glue. Cut out the rest of the details of the flamingo from pieces of a shiny foam rubber sheet. Glue on a head with a beak. Fasten a small tail, and no one will dare call this mouse colorless anymore, since it turned into a beautiful flamingo. An ordinary silicone case is not interesting at all. Some self-drying modeling clay will help to make it more original. Wrap the case in tinfoil. Put the case on the foil and draw a huge ear around it. Roll the modeling clay out in the form of a sausage and lay it on the outline of the image. Smush out another piece of clay and fasten it in the middle. Make an ear shape out of modeling clay rolls. Paint them beige. Remove the foil. Place your phone into the case. Hello? Can you hear me? Yes, I can! Miss Big Ear will definitely not go unnoticed. For this life hack, you need a sheet of dense cardboard and a wide rainbow elastic band. Measure out the desired length of the band, cut it off, fold the band into a circle and sew the ends. Do the same with elastic bands of different widths and colors. Stretch the elastic bands on the cardboard, placing them parallel and perpendicular to each other. Such a cute but simple organizer can hold your chargers, headphones, and even a power bank. Very convenient. And now we will share a bright life hack for your power bank. Cut a piece of cardboard of the right size. Draw stripes. Cut along the lines and get rid of the internal seams. Fasten the pieces of cardboard to the power bank with hot glue. You will need napkins and Elmer's glue. Tear a napkin into pieces and carefully coat it with glue. Cover the paper layer with brown paint. A chocolate power bank is ready. Chocolate is useful not only for the brain, but also for your gadget. For this life hack, you need a phone and small dinosaur figurines. Use a knife to cut out slots in the figurines. Place your headphones in the notches on the dinosaurs' backs. A creative dino stand is ready. The cute dinosaurs hold your phone tight while you watch new videos. Next, draw a rabbit silhouette on a large piece of gray cardboard. Cut it out following the outline. Cut a trapezoid the size of the slit. Paint the rabbit a powdery color. Outline the eyes and nose with pink paint. Insert the trapezoid. The stand for an e-reader or tablet turned out to be very cute and extremely large-eared. Here's a life hack for when your sensitive hands get tired of working on the computer. You will need a small piece of foam rubber. Cut it into a heart shape. Cut 2 hearts from a red foam rubber sheet. Attach them to both sides of the foam rubber with hot glue. Glue on a rubber band. Put the heart on your wrist. A soft pad will straighten your wrist joint and relieve pain and fatigue. And now we will tell you how to decorate and warm your favorite headphones. You will need a piece of tulle and a white feather ribbon. Fold the tulle into a square. Cut out a semicircle. Turn the edge in and gather the tulle on a string. Insert an elastic band. Stretch the tulle net onto a headphone. Fasten feathers with hot glue. These fluffy white headphones will get anyone's attention. Soft like a feather cloud and so touchable. For the next life hack, you need a narrow shoebox. Use a paper knife as the main tool. Cut out 4 windows and a wide slit. Cover the box with bright colored paper. Draw a rectangle at the end of the box. Cut it out. Place an extension cord with chargers and cords in the box. Pass the wires through the holes. Close the lid. No more tangled wires. Beauty and order. An e-reader is best stored in a case. Here's an idea for how to make one. You need a sheet of thick cardboard. Cut out 2 rectangles and a strip according to the size of the e-reader. Prepare a piece of a blue foam rubber sheet. Attach a wide strip of double-sided tape in the middle. Fasten cardboard pieces to the tape. Bend the edges of the foam rubber sheet cover and secure them with double-sided tape. Glue another piece of a foam rubber sheet on the inside of the case. Secure elastic bands in the corners with hot glue. Place the reader in the case. Decorate it with yellow clouds. Attach a bright inscription, and to make sure that the e-reader does not accidentally fall out of the case, secure it with an elastic band. The accessory is stylish and original. Next, print out a template of an ominous skull. Make cuts. Transfer the drawing to a piece of cardboard. Cut the skull along the outline. Make cuts according to the marks. Cover the workpiece with white acrylic paint. Draw black details. Insert headphones into the gaping eye sockets. Wind the wires around the skull. You get an Alexander McQueen style headphone holder. Looks intense, but very stylish. For this life hack, you need a round plastic container. Make holes with a heated awl. Fasten pink ribbons to the holes. Cut a strip of foam rubber sheet to the size of the container. Wrap the container in it. Secure the edges with hot glue. Glue green leaves and roses also made out of a foam rubber sheet. Decorate with beads. A holder for charging your phone is ready. And now we will tell you how to make a quick and beautiful decoration for a graphics tablet. You will need a piece of a yellow foam rubber sheet. Trim it to the size of the tablet and make a window for the screen. Fasten the foam rubber sheet with a glue stick. Draw ovals across the entire surface of the foam rubber sheet with a brown marker. Add shadows and highlights. Connect it to the laptop. Are you ready, kids? Who lives in the tablet under the sheet? SpongeBob SquarePants! Of course! We made the decoration look like your favorite cartoon character. Drawing with this upgraded tablet is way more fun. Did you like our life hacks for gadgets and smartphones? Then write in the comments which of these ideas you want to try out. Like this video and subscribe to Troom Select. And don't forget to click on the bell so you won't miss our new life hacks.